Be sensitive to society. Be sensitive to our resources. I am Dr. Chanchal Mehtia, ran the squadron leader Dr. Chanchal Mehtia, and I have put in total 22 years of service, including my armed forces service and the service at Mahindra. When I started my journey in 2015 with Mahindra, it was a small role that was given to me, keeping in mind that I had just come from the armed forces and I don't have much of a knowledge in the corporate worlds. So Mahindra as such has given me a lot of experience and exposure in the field of operations, in the field of project management, in the field of diversity. And across from that, when I moved to Pune Chakan Engine Plant, I was given a sole responsibility of taking care of administration facilities, and in addition to that was corporate social responsibility, which was almost a new baby in my hand. We were, since 2019, Heavy Engines got this fund for CSR, and we started making small projects and small progress in the social field, wherein we started with the ITI Girls College, and then we landed up to these villages where there was a requirement of water, because the females used to spend maximum time collecting this water from distant locations. And with a village called Tekavadi, we started this project where we had installed the water solar panels. So this pump with the solarized energy used to pump the water from the lake to the tank which was available in the village, and then this water was available for the females at their doorstep. So after this implementation, when these females were free, so they were like, "Ab hame kuch karna hai," right? So they approached us again and they wanted something to be done for them. So then we came up with this idea, and meanwhile CSR also had the theme of women empowerment which was coming up. So we said, let's progress towards that, and we started a very small business which we helped them was creating a self-help group on making masalas, papads, noodles, baking cakes, maybe beautician course, and then later we added tailoring course, self-grooming, all these things we started. So with this first project of making spices and masala, this got highlighted. So I feel CSR is something which should come from the heart. It is not a mind game. It is a heart game. If you are involved and if you evolve yourself at the society level, you will realize that when you give it back to the society in any form, it can be a tree plantation, it can be doing something for your maid, it can be any small activity that you are giving back to the society. So I feel what motivated me and what brought me here is my passion towards giving it back to the society. And I'm very, very happy that I'm associated with this kind of projects. One thing that I would like to say to all the generations, younger or the older, the Gen Zs, the Alphas, the Betas, that we do everything. Technology has taken over us like furiously. But where we feel the happiness is where we put our heart in. And that is not the technology, that is the feelings that we need to put it across the table to the society, to the people who are underprivileged and who really needs us. So my only one word to maybe the futuristic leader will be there is to be sensitive to society, be sensitive to our resources. That's it from me.